IKEA is the undisputed champion of affordable home solutions, but the best bathroom designs often come from looking outside the designated bathroom section. By combining items intended for kitchens, offices, or living rooms, you can unlock customized storage, built-in style, and high-end aesthetics without the painful custom price tag. These 8 unique hacks transform common flat pack items into wet room workhorses. Number 1. The HEMNES chest-to-vanity conversion. The standard IKEA vanities can be limited in style and width, but the HEMNES 3-drawer chest offers deep storage and a classic profile, perfect for a luxury look. The hack involves cutting the top drawer down to accommodate the sink plumbing, a U-shaped cut, while keeping the drawer front intact. Ensure you seal the wood surfaces thoroughly with marine varnish or a polyurethane coating before installation to handle the humidity. Number 2. Vertical organization using IKEA or Kallax cubes. When wall space is limited, leveraging vertical storage is crucial. Small IKEA cubes, usually intended for media storage, are fantastic because they are inexpensive and easy to configure. Mount several 13 by 13-inch cubes stacked vertically or offset, treating them like floating shelves with built-in closed storage. Use cabinet doors for items you want to hide or keep them open for decorative towels and soaps. Remember to securely anchor them into studs. Number 3. Roskog Cart, the movable shower caddy. For renters or those needing flexible storage, the beloved Roskog utility cart isn't just for kitchen gadgets. Roll it right beside the shower or bathtub to hold extra towels, hairstyling tools, or bath bombs. Since it's metal, it handles minor splashes well, and the 3 tiers offer ample, accessible storage that can be rolled out of sight when guests arrive. Add a few small organizers to the baskets to prevent items from tipping. Number 4. Custom built-in storage with section kitchen cabinets. The depth limitations of standard bathroom cabinets often leave usable wall space neglected. Section kitchen wall cabinets come in a slimmer profile, typically 15 inches deep, than typical linen closets, making them perfect for creating floor-to-ceiling built-ins. Use custom door fronts, like those from third-party IKEA suppliers, or paint the standard vetting A doors for a truly bespoke architectural look that provides pantry-level storage. Number 5. Elevated vanity lighting using Riba LED strips. Stop relying on harsh overhead light. Achieve that desirable, soft, diffused vanity glow using inexpensive Riba picture ledge LED strips or dioder lighting kits. Install them vertically on either side of the mirror or horizontally along the top of a medicine cabinet, recessed slightly for indirect lighting. This trick instantly upgrades the functional lighting and gives your mirror area a professional, theatrical dressing room feel. Number 6. The seamless drawer organization with Maximera inserts. Bathroom drawers quickly devolve into chaos, filled with stray cotton swabs and mismatched products. Maximera drawer dividers, typically used in IKEA kitchens, are superior to standard bathroom caddies because they offer precise, adjustable division widths. Use the bamboo look variants to segment your toiletries, keeping brushes separate from makeup palettes, achieving maximum storage efficiency in even shallow drawers. Number 7. Framing the Lots mirror for architectural impact. The IKEA Lots mirror tiles are incredibly cheap, but can look flimsy when used alone. The hack: arrange a grid of Lots tiles onto a board, leaving a slight gap between them, and then surround the entire arrangement with custom wood molding, like crown molding or shiplap trim, painted to match your decor. This transforms a few dollars of mirror into a substantial, impressive feature wall or a large, high-end framed mirror. Number 8. The hidden laundry/waste system using Sortera bins. Laundry hampers and visible trash cans ruin aesthetic flow. The stackable Sortera recycling bins, or similar Verriera bins, are the perfect size for tucking into a closet or beneath a built-in shelf. Stack 2 or 3 bins and label them darks, lights, and dry cleaning. The front flap design allows you to toss items in without unstacking them, creating a clean, dedicated waste and recycling center that stays completely out of sight.